大家好，歡迎又嚟到常媽私房菜。呢集我哋要整鯇魚炆豆腐，呢味菜咧我全家男女老幼大大細細都咁中意食嘅。咁我哋咧就要買鯇魚啦，我哋會買鯇魚腩嘅，咁會係滑口啲啦。咁另外咧就需要係一啲薑片啦，咁同埋咧最好就喺街市咧買呢啲板豆腐啊，因為陣間呢個豆腐咧需要微煎啊，咁佢咧板豆腐唔會爛，就會方便啲。咁仲有咧就係需要蔥同埋芫茜一齊動手做啦。先將3片薑切成幼絲 ，cut 3 slices of ginger into thin shreds。將一棵蔥切成一段段 ，cut 1 green onion into sections。將一棵芫茜切段 ，cut 1 coriander into small sections。將板豆腐切成一塊塊 ，cut the firm tofu into evenly sized thick cubes。切開魚腩 ，cut the grass carp belly。燒紅個鑊，落1湯匙油，再加1/3茶匙鹽。Heat the pan, pour 1 tablespoon of oil, add 1/3 teaspoon of salt。將魚腩放落個鑊，魚皮向下，中火煎到佢表面金黃色，釋出香味。Place the fish belly in the pan, skin side down, and fry over medium heat until the surface is golden brown and fragrant。加埋1/3茶匙鹽，輕輕咁樣反轉佢，繼續用中火煎香，令到佢個魚皮係金黃色嘅。Add 1/3 teaspoon of salt, gently flip over, and continue to fry over medium heat until fragrant and the skin is golden brown。啲魚煎到兩面金黃之後，輕輕加埋豆腐。When the fish are golden on both sides, gently add the tofu。保持住中火，繼續煎到豆腐金黃色。Maintain medium heat and continue frying until the tofu is golden brown。倒入1/4碗嘅生抽 ，pour in 1/4 bowl of light soy sauce。冚蓋轉細火，燜3分鐘，等啲魚肉同豆腐吸咗啲豉油嘅香味。Cover the pan, turn to low heat and braise for 3 minutes。開返鑊蓋，加入葱段，再燜2分鐘，之後轉大火收汁。
Open the lid, add green onion, simmer for 2 minutes。
混和1茶匙生粉、1湯匙豉油、2湯匙嘅清水，攪勻之後倒入個鑊，快快攪勻去勾芡。Mix 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of water, and pour into the pan and stir quickly to thicken。加埋芫茜燜多30秒。
Add coriander, simmer for another